I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
We'll fix it in a minute. You ready? Yeah. Good seeing you again, man.
Good to see you, man.
Everything working good so far.
Yeah, it actually is. It may or may not float that. We're gonna find out.
Okay.
Yeah, we fancy like
Sunday, and we still managed to raise $2,500.
And you put this show together fast.
Yes, I did it in like 6 months.
That's most people give it a year.
Yeah, well, we've been working on the new one since Monday after that one.
Okay, so I've
been doing a little bit here.
How far is that? That's like, how far is that from here?
About 2 hours.
Okay, so
it's not bad.
That's way about.
It's Wake County Speedway is where we're gonna do it this year.
Okay, that's gonna be a good location. Real good location.
Yeah, we're hoping to get in with the Speedway good. Just waiting for them to confirm it because you know they do their stuff.
Hey, you still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.